Today, I want to share with you 7 of the best affiliate marketing programs and networks that can help you start making money right away. In this video, I'll not only provide you with the list of these affiliate programs, but also share the strategies and tactics that helped me achieve such results. Let's start with affiliate marketing program number 1, vervedirect.com. This is a CPA affiliate network specializing in Ecom CPA products. The key difference between CPA marketing and regular affiliate marketing is that with CPA, you keep the money from your sales, regardless of refunds. Verve Direct offers exclusive e-com physical products like innovative insoles, unique phone chargers, and TV antennas. These products are not commonly found in stores, which gives affiliates a unique selling point and the potential to earn significant commissions. Moving on to affiliate program number 2, LeadSmart Inc. This is a pay-per-call affiliate program where you earn commissions for each phone call made to specific service numbers, such as for AC repair or bathroom remodeling. I've successfully utilized Facebook ads to drive targeted calls and earn commissions through LeadSmart Inc. Now, let's talk about affiliate program number 3, GiddyUp. Similar to Verve Direct, GiddyUp offers premium CPA offers, some of which are featured in reputable news magazines. They provide intriguing products with excellent marketing support, making it easier for affiliates to attract customers and earn commissions. GiddyUp's products stand out due to their uniqueness and credibility, which can lead to higher conversion rates. Moving forward to affiliate program number 4, FL Studio, Fruity Loops. FL Studio is a renowned software designed for musicians and music producers. As an affiliate, you can earn commissions by referring individuals to download FL Studio. This program is ideal for those interested in music production or related fields. Affiliate program number 5 is udemy.com. Udemy is a popular platform offering a wide range of courses on various topics, from programming to photography. As an affiliate, you earn commissions by referring students to enroll in these courses. Udemy's extensive course library and reputation make it a lucrative opportunity for affiliates. Next is affiliate program number 6, school.com. This platform allows you to create and monetize your own community by charging membership fees. You earn a monthly recurring revenue by referring people to create groups or join existing communities on school.com. This program is perfect for those passionate about building online communities and providing value to members. And finally, affiliate program number 7, ClickBank. ClickBank is one of the largest affiliate marketing networks, specializing in digital products like courses and ebooks. They provide dedicated affiliate pages with marketing materials to help you promote products effectively. ClickBank's vast product selection and user-friendly interface make it a favorite among affiliates looking to earn passive income. These are my top 7 favorite affiliate programs and networks. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below.